we noticed the blitzkrieg maneuver that accompanied or clothed the filing of this information. True, there were allegedly a point presentation by the honorable lead counsel at the time of the meeting of the congressman who signed the 188. But we do not notice any statement, or the statement relative to verification and certification is totally bankrupt of any statement to the effect that they assembled, they discussed this matter, and it was only after determining that there was really notice and proper opportunity for investigation was made that they came to the filing of this case and so on. My point is this, Your Honor. The number of the complainant, whether they be more than 200 congressmen affixing their signature, assuming their signature, the affixing of their signature, were voluntary and personal. That does not nullify the provision on due process, because it is a time-honored principle of our Constitution that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Now, if the impeachment complaint is filed by only by a member or by a private citizen with the endorsement of a member of the House of Representatives, the procedure enshrined is it must be acted upon by the Committee on Justice. There must be deliberation, and whatever the result of the deliberation, it is presented before the House in plenary session. Those are the only things that were dispensed with if the information or the impeachment complaint is filed by more than one-third of the members of the House, Your Honor. With that, we rest our case, Your Honor. We only pray, Your Honor, na sa aming pong pagdulog sa kagalang-galang na hukumang ito sana po dumulog po kami sa poong may kapal. Hiniling namin kung maaari tanglawan po ninyo ang pag-iisip, ang puso at damdamin ng mga senador na huwes na hahatol sa kasong ito.